Hey friends, Kat right here. So my goal is to beautify the world, show you how to do it, and today we're going to be refinishing this cute little decorative bridge. So if you want to see some more, stick around. So there are three main steps that we need to do to refinish this bridge. We need to stabilize it. You can see it's a little bit wobbly. We need to sand it. I'm not going to sand too much because there's, like I said, it's decorative. We're not going to be using it, but there's definitely some rough edges. And we also, of course, need to stain it. So I purchased this bridge on Amazon probably about 3 years ago. I'll put a link down below to show you which one that we purchased and also the video of us making it. But honestly, this thing came so well built. It's in very good condition. Just all of these nuts and bolts that are all over the bottom just need to be tightened. Then it should be stabilized. So let's tighten all these and see if that stabilizes it. Okay friends, well, I got all of those bolts tightened, not hard at all. Now I'm taking my DeWalt handsaw. I'm just gonna go lightly around all of the edges. For personal protection, I'm definitely wearing my face mask and my earplugs. Okay, well, I got it all sanded. Now that it's kind of dusty and has a little bit of leftover dry grass on it, go wash it off. I am so excited about this bridge. Oh, it could use some love. But it's very stable now, very clean. All the edges are quite smooth, so nice. So I have already done step 1 and 2. Now I'm on step 3, which is staining. This is a Boar Premium that I bought at Home Depot. Tell you the truth, I've used this for many things. It's kind of old, but it's very beautiful, kind of red tone. Okay, well, I got this stain out. I got my personal protection needs. I got my face mask. I've got some painter gloves. And the shirt that I have on is my painting shirt. So definitely personal protection. Okay friends, I'm out here on a different day. I painted the whole side of this bridge. It dried overnight. Now I just need to paint basically the other side of the bridge down here. So it shouldn't take me too long. We're gonna paint this and then we'll let that dry and then I'll kind of go over a second layer over the whole thing.
Wait, no, maybe over there. Maybe.
You're just trying to get me to watch.
I totally tricked you. Here we are at Barbie Base Camp. You can see she's got her plaid table over there. She's set up for painting. Is that what you're doing here? You brought me out here to show me we're painting what? This bridgey thing?
This is my decorative bridge that I have in the backyard that I have painted. It's all fully finished. I have about 4 layers on the whole stinking thing. 4 layers? Put it in the back. Yes. It is a waterproof stain.
It's more than 3.
But I did put a lot on there.
Yeah.
Just because it's going to be outside and it will be covered with water once a week.
It makes sense.
But it needs to be strong against deteriorating.
And you feel like it's really strong, stronger than it used to be now? You've strengthened it.
Yes. Okay, well, let's put it in the cart.
There you have it. Oh, she's coming this way. Wait, what did you say? Put it in the car? Oh, hold on. Out of frame. Oh, you're just, you know you can ask for my help, right? You're just going for it all by yourself.
It's not heavy.
It's She's very independent, as you can see. Tried helping her. Sometimes it just makes it worse.
Actually,
but it's amusing to watch the logic.
The gate like this.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen. Do you want me to carry that through for you?
Yes.
All right.
Why don't you just carry it around the side
Here.
for me?
Give me.
I'll take that.
Yeah, boys.
coming in.
Okay, Josh is putting it on the cart.
Why do you want it back on the cart?
Come on this way.
Really, the one in charge of this project is that little dachshund. Look how proud he looks to be coming out here. Go, dachshund. Just talking about Loof. All right, here we are.
Okay. So yes,
Uh-huh.
this is the little gate that goes to my neighbor's yard.
Okay,
This is our
check.
irrigation ditch right here, so it's going right there. It's really not going to be used, it's just for decoration.
We have the bridge, but we can't use it. So we can use it, but we can't use it.
It's just not going to need to
I
be
get
used
it.
every day. Very useful.
It'd be awesome if you broke through right there.
It breaks through right there as
Right.
I'm trying to show it off at the
That
end.
is quite the red bridge.
I did do it this red color because I already had the stain, and I have quite a bit of our barn already stained red, so I wanted it to kind of mix. But to tell you truthfully, if I was to do this again, I'd do it a brown color. But
I like it.
it looks good.
Goes with the barn.
Yeah. As you walk out the back door, it'll catch your eye a lot
Yeah.
more than if it was
Red,
brown.
it'll remind me of your fiery personality.
You're so kind, my goodness. Well, I am so happy that I finished this project. This has needed to be done for a long time. It just makes it spark out here. So I've had a wonderful project and I'm so glad to be done. So remember, work hard, play hard. We'll see you on the next project.